How is everybody doing today? So I'm going to do this really quick intro into the project that I'm going to be doing today. The remainder of this video, you guys will listen to music and see what I end up creating. I received this collaboration package from Sola Wood Flowers, you guys. And by now, hopefully you guys have seen the unboxing video, but if not, I'm going to link it in the card above. And you'll definitely see it in the description area down below. You'll see the unboxing share for that, so you guys can see what I received. But I got one of the items was this vintage box, and along with that they also sent me some flowers. And so we're gonna go ahead today and I'm gonna choose some of the flowers that we're gonna use, and I'm gonna go ahead and dye them. I'm gonna use a combination of their 2-inch flowers, which are these right here. These are really big, as well as their mini ones, okay? And to accent the piece that I'm going to be creating, I've also pulled out some items from my own personal stash. And the first of which is going to be this resin owl. This is from a ℚ𝔬𝔩𝔬𝔞. I've also pulled out this little piece, which is also from another ℚ𝔬𝔬𝔬𝔞, and I only took the one piece. We'll see if I end up using it or not. Something that I had in my stash that I purchased on a D-stash were these bird cages, so I'm going to use the back and the front. I've pulled out some metal embellishments in case I end up using them, and it's going to be these metal embellishments as well as possibly these are chipboard. So we'll see if I end up incorporating these or not. I'm not really quite sure. We've got some name tags that I'm going to be using. I've already picked out the one that I'm going to use. And we also have this resin piece right here, which is from Frank Garcia. And hopefully you guys can see it well enough. I'll put it right here on the base so you guys can see it. I will be fixing the angle and the lighting for the remainder of this video, so it's not too overwhelmingly bright. I just needed to put the camera in this angle so that I can share with you guys the things that I'm going to be working with. And I pulled out a couple other pieces that we'll see if I incorporate them or not. But this is going to be the gist of today's DIY project that I'm going to be sharing with you guys. Again, this is in collaboration with Sola Wood Flowers, and I do hope that you guys will enjoy. Thanks so much for visiting my channel.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
And so you guys see all of that beautiful shimmer. And all of those diamonds just cascading down like it's raining diamonds. And they're all the way in the inside, if you guys can see. I know the shadow might not help me too much because it is a deeper box, so there's a lot of shadow in there. But you guys can see. And that's like one of their wood flowers. Like that one's a real stiff one right there, but it's again awesome texture to add sprays and mediums. And I am inspired to create a mixed media canvas, so I will be doing a project for that as well. Stay tuned for that. I would love to hear color schemes. If you guys have any thoughts on color schemes, that would be really awesome. Point me in the right direction. But I think it came out absolutely wonderful. I really enjoyed working with their products. Let me bring that up so you guys can see the top of my bird cage here. Let me fix the focus a little bit. There we go. So you guys can see the top of my bird cage here, and as you can see, there's a lot of splashes, gold splashes, white splashes, a whole bunch of different color splashes going on in here. We've got some wooden trim. I added a little bit of trim here, but I might take that off if I end up hanging it on the wall. I'm not sure where I'm going to place this beautiful project at as of yet, but I wanted to share with you guys how my projects came out for Sola Wood. My friends, again, it's really large, so I can't really keep it too much in frame. I will try to add some pictures, but definitely you will find some pictures on my social media at Happy Day Crafts on Facebook and Instagram as well, so definitely go and check that out. I want to thank you all so much for stopping by my channel today and visiting with me. Please let me know what you guys think about the project that I created for Sola Wood. Down in the description area you will find a referral link so that you can go ahead and click on that and go straight to their shop and check out their amazing selections of flowers, different types. They have all different types of beautiful items that you can create, all different types of bouquets. And if you're into dimensional art like I am, then you will have a lot of fun creating something super cool and unique. So I want to thank you all so much for visiting, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye.